guys, welcome back to another episode of All Fishing TV. In this episode, I'm at two different places. One is Mill Pond in Somers, Connecticut, and the other one is Camp Iapo in Somers, Connecticut. Both places, the water's warm enough and the fish are moving in and they're spawning. At Camp Iapo, there's a lot of fish here, and same with Mill Pond, but both of them have pickerel, and I probably will catch a couple of those too, but this is going to be a bass fishing video. I'm going to be using the hat cam in this video. I've been trying to find my tripod. I think my dad has it. I'm going to do some tripod videos as well, so you can get not just the hat cam in every video. But for now, we're doing the hat cam. So yeah, I'm gonna get to fishing. Hopefully I'll catch a lot. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Here's one, guys. Oh yeah, nice bass. Nice bass right there, guys. Awesome colors to him. Get a release on him. Here he goes. Alright guys, that was the first bass of the day here at Camp Iapo. So hopefully they keep biting and I'll get back to you guys with more fish. There's one. Oh yeah. There's a jump, guys. I'm stuck in a branch now. There he is, guys. Jesus, looks like the same one. Barely hooked him right there. Hooks up, comes right out. About the same size, maybe a little thicker. Yeah, that's not the same one. But yeah, decent size, fun to catch. You hit right on the drop there. So yeah, we'll get him back. There he goes, guys. Oh yeah, there's a good one, guys. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm right on the roof of the mouth. There we go. Pound and a half. Nice fish right there, guys. Alright guys, going on. Feels pretty nice. Oh yeah, look at the colors on that guy. Alright guys, third bass of the day. He's about maybe a little bit smaller. Good size though. Had a little trouble with the hook, so I'm going to revive him pretty well. There he goes.